The importance of business writing skills. How importante ang skills in business? Ay gusto man, business a title of your subject is business report writing. Kami kailangan important business report writing. O diba? Importance of business writing skills. Importante na. And what are those importance? Ano na mga importance na skills? Important skills.
Juanin.
Ano ba ba ang skills in writing a business letter? Ano dapat? Kailangan na yung mag-school? Kailangan na?
Clear and concise. Clear and concise. Clear and concise.
Sige. We need the clarity or clear and concise. Wala nga mga skills. Naman, klaro. Ay kung hindi klaro yung report, basura. Ang buwan niya sa mga letter. Accurate. Accurate naman. Accurate. Kami, ito ba ito? Para naman, nasunod na lang mga accent sa British at American. British, the brains. British, the man. American, water, water. Okay? Pero, that is pronunciation. What about writing? Okay, accurate, clear, concise, brief, and brief in my paman. Brief in what? Letter G.
Jargon.
Letter G.
Jar.
Grammar.
Sabi at J.
Grammatical error. Here, our objective. Let's start.
H. This
Let's start from the objective.
Objectives. To teach students that business letters are not the only type of business writing they may have to create. To teach students that business writing is the only writing required in the first place. To prepare them to format two types of workplace documents and mostly format.
Sige daw, ako daw. To teach the students. Mag-ano? That business letters are not only titles that they may have to create. Hindi lang business letters. To teach students that business writing is required in the workplace. If you are in the workplace of business office,